Good morning student, my name is Anand here. In the last video lecture we have focused on to the how to inserting cells, rows and column on a Excel sheet. In this video lecture we have focused on to the deleting cells, column and the rows. If you want to remove the unwanted kind of data from the Excel sheet, you can use the delete option. Delete option is capable to either delete a particular cell data or a column data or a rows data or a group of columns data or a group of rows data. How it is possible? You have first select the range of the cells to be deleted, then click on the home tab and there is the drop down arrow of the delete button and select the delete cells option. After selecting, the delete dialog box will be appear, display the four different options. Choose the appropriate option and observe the changes. How we remove the deleting columns or a row? How we remove the columns and row by deleting option? Select the column to be deleted by clicking on its header. Click the delete drop down menu in the cells group under the home tab and select the delete sheet column or a right click on the header and select the column to choose the delete option. Both are used for the removing unwanted data from your Excel sheet. How we do in the practical manner, I have again focused on the last record, practical record of the report. There are the some roll numbers, name, total and their percentage. Percentage is blank. Now I have clicked on the second record and the name. You have observed the practically carefully. I have clicked on the delete option, that is the part of cells. Now the delete cells, you find out it also contains the four different sub options. At first we have click on the shift cell left. That means what? If the content will be deleted, content is what? Redeema. If redeema is going to delete it, the 79 value is shifted towards left. I have clicked on to OK button. You have find out 79 is placed on the redeema cell. Now the redeema is going to the deleted. Again I click the undo button and maintain the previous. Again I click on the delete option and again click the delete cells. Now shift cell up. That means what? If I perform this action, the redeema is going to the deleted and Ankur is shifted to the redeema cells place. You have find out, again I have click on it here. You have find out the redeema is disappear, redeema is removed. Now Ankur data is shifted upward, okay, on the place of redeema cell. Okay, now again I maintain the previous status. Again I click on the delete option and choose the delete cells option. Entire row, the third option is entire row. If I click on this option, the 102 redeema and 79, this row is complete removed from the Excel sheet. Look, now the after 101 there is the 103 record will be displayed. So complete 102 record will be removed. Again I maintain the previous status here by clicking undo button. Now again click on the delete cells. Now entire column option. The entire column option, this column, the name column is completely removed from here because the redeema is the part of name column. Again I click on OK button. You have find out that it can be removed the whole data. Now I have clicked on the, again there is the another option. You have find out delete sheet column. Again our cursor is onto the 79 position. Now this column is completely removed. Okay, again I have clicked onto the delete sheet entire delete sheet row. You have find out the cursor position on the, we have clicked on the 102. The cursor position is 102. I have clicked on the delete sheet row. The 103 is going to the place. Again I have maintain status. Again I maintain the previous status. and I have clicked the again I click on the delete sheet option. Delete sheet option. It showed a warning message. Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? After clicking on delete, this sheet is going to the deleted. Okay, now the sheet 2 is available. Sheet 1 is going to the deleted. So it is the entire process of deleting different option. Either you delete a particular cell or a sheet row or a sheet column or an entire sheet. You can try to do in the practical manner at home. Okay. Thank you and have a good day.